I have a mystery today. I was in the backyard and I'm looking at the grass and I see something very unusual. Take a look with me and see if you notice what I notice. Huh. Well, there's grass and weeds and regular things, but I see something here that looks very different. Red? I don't usually see red things in the grass. What could this be? If I pick it up, when I look around the yard, I see lots of red flowers like that. They're all over the grass. But where are they coming from? I don't see any flowers. I see some buds on this tree or on this bush, but those don't match the red flowers that I saw in the grass. I only see thorns on this tree. I don't see any of those red flowers. Here's another tree in the yard, but it also doesn't have the red flowers. I only see green. Hey, look at this! I found it. I found the tree where all of the red flowers are coming from. Let's take a look. Here it is in bloom. It's a pretty big tree that's much taller than me. Oh my goodness. All of those red flowery blooms coming from that one tree.
It turns out that these flowers were from a tree called a red maple. The flowers turn into little seed pods, and those little seed pods grow bigger, and we know those seed pods. And this is what the red maple looks like when it has all of its leaves. And so now the mystery is solved. The little red flowers came from the red maple tree.